tools you need in your garden to make gardening easier and more efficient. Part 3. Soil monitoring devices. The great thing is that most of us always have one of these always on hand. Yes, I'm talking about your trusty finger. Not sure if you need to water? Use your finger to test the soil. If it feels dry, then water it. If the soil feels damp and it sticks to your finger, then it doesn't need water yet. But what about the temperatures of our soils? Well, it's said that old market gardeners used to put their bare bottoms on the soil surface to check if it was warm enough to plant warm season crops. So look away! Don't worry, I'll spare you and the neighbours that side. You can instead just use a soil thermometer. This one's a traditional thermometer, but you can get digital versions. A soil pH kit is also a great investment. You can even get nifty all-in-one devices like this one here. It tells you soil pH, soil temperature, and a few other things as well. Remember, a good soil is the foundation of a good garden, so make sure you investigate yours.